Okay, these are aluminum accent knobs. I'm going to put them on my Jeep Wrangler. It's a 2014 JKU, or 4-door. These are made by SANTU. They're really nice. They have a good feel to them. They're aluminum. They're textured so that you can grip it easier. Supposedly they just snap right on. Really easy to install. So we're going to check that out, and I'm going to show you how easy it is. Okay, so it's kind of getting dark on me, but here are the knobs that they're going to go on. They're the climate control knobs. So you have the fan, AC or temperature, and the vent selector. Sorry, it's kind of getting dark on me. So it is as easy as pushing it on. There's a little bit of a click, and that's about all it takes. They go on really nice and easy, and they look great.